Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you know if your smoke detector is working? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you know if your smoke detector is working. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do you know if your smoke detector is working. Press and hold the test button on the smoke detector. It can take a few seconds to begin, but a loud, ear-piercing siren should emanate from the smoke detector while the button is pressed. If the sound is weak or non-existent, replace your batteries. Last update February 21st, 2018. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.